Our Buckleguy metal side release buckles come in 4 finishes: brass, antique brass, shiny nickel plate, and a black matte. And they come in 2 sizes, a 1-inch size and a 3/4 inch. So as you can see here, the back side of the 1-inch locks in, 2 wings, you press them together, separates. I've got 2 pieces of leather here, a 3/4 inch piece. This is a 10-ounce piece of bridal leather, just to show you that can fit well. And same with the 1-inch size. And you've got another few millimeters of clearance there as well. So good space in there to attach straps or leashes, collars, bag straps. This is also a piece of biothane, also a pretty common material. And those are our metal side release buckles.